Screen recording on Android phone is a pretty simple thing to do, and in this video I will be telling you how to do it exactly. So every Android phone has a special feature to screen record the screen. So in order to do that, all you have to do is to go to the tools area and you can select the screen recording app, so that way you can access it. The other method is going to the notification panel. In the notification panel, you can see that there is a screen recording option. Once you tap on it, you will have the pop-up icon of the screen recording. So once you long tap on it, you will go to the setting. Here you can see that you can change the resolution. Once you change the resolution, the Mbps and the video quality bitrate will be affected. So you can change between different orientation, sound source. In order to change the sound source, just tap on the sound source icon, and once you tap on the sound source icon, you will be redirected to this menu. Here you can select between mic, sound system, or you can mute the sound recording at all. Fixed frame rates, and you can change the frame rates as well. You can show the gestures, and that's how you can do it. If your Android phone doesn't have a feature to record the screen, no problem. You can go to the Play Store and download any screen recorder. So just search screen recorder on the Play Store. You can put a filter as well to get the best screen recorders. So all you have to do is to install one of them, and that way you will be able to enjoy the screen recording of your screen in the Android phone. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.